So it's December 30th, 2019. I woke up this morning and checked my DJI Fly app, attempting to fly my Mavic Mini. I've been unable to fly my Mavic Mini since I've purchased it. I live in the National Forest. I live in a blue area. This morning, December 30th, 2019, I woke up, checked the top of my DJI Fly app, and it's now green. So I guess they're opening areas up. There didn't appear to be a firmware upgrade. There didn't appear to be an app upgrade. It just appears that when the drone speaks to DJI servers, I guess it's giving it a green light now. So you might want to go ahead and check your device, see if your device has been granted green access where previously it wasn't. Please comment below. I'd be very interested to hear how wide DJI has opened this thing up. Again, comment below. Let me know if you were previously restricted and now you're unrestricted. If you're in another country, please state that as well. I'm in the United States, in California. So give this video a thumbs up if you wish. Appreciate it. Like and subscribe. You know how it is. Thanks.